My washer has a couple problems. First, the agitator only moves in one direction, instead of moving back and forth, which starts the whole load, especially large loads, spinning and gets clothes wrapped around the agitator. It also makes a loud knocking noise during wash and spin cycles. A couple of months ago, the washer quit working, and I replaced the basket drive. The new drive got it operating again, but now I've got this new problem.
Hi. I'm Smitty. I am a professional appliance repair consultant here to help you diagnose and repair your appliance. Please stand by while I look up your model number. Thank you.
Okay.
The problem is going to be in the transmission of your unit. The direct drive units do not have anything else that would cause the agitator to spin, wrapping the clothes around the agitator. FYI, the agitators only go in one direction. Clockwise. It is a ratcheting effect and it gears the clothes down towards the bottom, forcing the clothes on the bottom out towards the sides and up. Before you replace the trans, make good and sure that the agitatio is properly seated and not leaving a gap at the bottom. Please let me know if you have any other concerns. Doing so will not close your question, and you may ask all the follow-up questions you like, after you rate me, at no additional charge. Thank you.
How much space should be between the agitator and the basket?
Maximum 3/8 of an inch.
Mine doesn't have even spacing all the way around, 1/4 of an inch on one side, more than 1/2 an inch on the other. I'm going to remove the agitator and make sure that it's on correctly.
The difference in height says that something is definitely wrong. Check it out, and if you have any more questions, please let me know. Doing so will not close your question, and after you rate me, you may ask any follow-up questions you like. All at no additional charge. Thank you. The Home Smithy 41331.8813695023.
I removed/replaced the agitator. The same gap between the agitator and in basket remained. I also ran a load and felt what the agitator was doing. It starts the cycle by moving back and forth properly, then after a few seconds, it starts the one-way movement and knocking, as the clothes start spinning and wrapping themselves around the auger. Then it occurred to me, maybe the clothes aren't wrapping themselves around the auger because the agitator is moving in one direction. Maybe the agitator is moving in one direction because the clothes are wrapping themselves around the auger. I'm going to run a cycle with no clothes at all and see what happens. I've noticed that this problem doesn't happen with small loads. The weight of bulky clothes seems to play some role.
You have a two-part agitator. The top part should turn in one direction when there are clothes against it to cause friction and start the ratcheting action. Just water is usually enough friction to start the ratcheting action. If the top part doesn't ratchet, it can cause clothing to sit at the bottom of the wash tub and start wrapping themselves around the agitator. The top part doing its thing is crucial to the clothes circulating from top to bottom. If the clothing does not circulate, they sit in open place and start to wrap. The Home Smithy 41331.924782419. The repair kit is available. Please click here to order the new gears and associated parts. Although the kit is complete, it does not come with instructions for the installation. The hardest part is getting the roll pins out of the shafts. When you get the kit, go to your local hardware store and get a pin drift, looks like a punch with a long thin tip, the correct size for the pins in the kit. Other than that, the repair is easy enough for a handy type person with a box of basic hand tools. Please let me know if you have any other concerns. All at no additional charge. Thank you.
First of all, I don't need any garage door opener parts, see your reply above. The washer did better with no close, but only on the delicate wash cycle. When I switched it to the heavy-duty fast agitation, things went all to hell again. The drag of the close, or the drag of the water, when it's agitating fast, seems to be what kicks off the problem. The auger seems to be working correctly, but some of the noise that occurs during the spin cycle seems to be a plastic type, versus metal, sound coming from the auger/agitator area, maybe the auger cam. The other noise is a grinding/knocking sound.
I am so sorry. That was meant for another customer. From your description of what is going on, the transmission is toast. The drive components are not completely disengaging going from spin to agitate. The best solution is to replace the transmission rather than rebuild it. The time invested in the rebuild compared to a new trans is just too much. The plastic noise you hear is probably just a set of agitate dogs that need to be replaced.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.